माननीय सभासदों, माननीय उपसभापति जी।
नमस्कार. Now, after paper, LOP, I will allow you after papers to be laid on the table. Papers to be laid on the table, Sri Arun Jaitley.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned at serial number 1 against my name in today's revised list of business.
Sri Rao Indrajit Singh.
On behalf of my senior colleague, Shri Manohar Parrikar, I beg to lay on the table of the House a copy of the papers mentioned against his name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 3 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Jagat Prakash Nadda.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 4 of today's revised list of business.
Sri Rao Indrajit Singh.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House a copy of the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 5 in today's revised list of business.
Dr. Mahesh Sharma.
With your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 6 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against my name at serial number 7 in today's revised list of the business.
Sri Jayant Sinha.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name in the revised list of business for today at serial number 8.
Now, message from the Lok Sabha, Secretary General.
I beg to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 14th of December 2015 passed the Atomic Energy Amendment Bill 2015. I lay a copy of the bill on the table.
Statement by Minister Sri Arun Jaitley.
Sir, I rise to make a statement regarding the status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 13th report of the Department-related Standing Committee on Finance on the demands for Grant 2015-16 pertaining to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs.
Now, motion for election of the Court of Aligarh Muslim University. Srimati Smriti Subin Irani.
Sir, I beg to move that in pursuance of item 24 of clause 1 read with clause 2 of the statute 14 of the statutes of the Aligarh Muslim University appended to the Aligarh Muslim University Amendment Act 1981 in terms of section 28 thereof, this House do proceed to elect in such manner as the chairman may direct one member from amongst the members of the House to be member of the court of the Aligarh Muslim University in the vacancies caused due to the expiry of the term of Shri K.N. Balagopal therein on the 3rd of May 2015.
Motion moved. Those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Now, matter notice under Rule 267, Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad. After this is the first notice, yours is second.
माननीय डिप्टी चेयरमैन साहब, सर मैंने नोटिस दिया है अरुणाचल प्रदेश में जो राजनीतिक गतिविधियां हो रही हैं, 31 अक्टूबर को विधानसभा का सेशन खत्म हुआ और 3 नवंबर को माननीय गवर्नर साहब ने उसे प्ररोग किया और 14 जनवरी 2016 को सेशन दोबारा से बुलाना था। लेकिन इस बीच में प्ररोग होने के बाद कुछ डेवलपमेंट्स हुई। वहां 47 एमएलए कांग्रेस के हैं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के 11 एमएलए हैं, 2 इंडिपेंडेंट हैं, 60 का हाउस है, कांग्रेस के कुछ रिबल्स है और उस रिबल्स में एक कांग्रेस का डिप्टी स्पीकर भी है। पार्टी में, हर पार्टी में रिबल एक्टिविटीज चलती रहती हैं। 6 नवंबर 2015 को कांग्रेस के एमएलएज ने डिप्टी स्पीकर को हटाने का नोटिस दिया कि वो एंटी पार्टी एक्टिविटीज करता है और वो एक रूलिंग पार्टी की तरफ से नियुक्त किया गया है या इलेक्ट किया गया डिप्टी स्पीकर है, वो एंटी पार्टी एक्टिविटी करता है, तो इसलिए डिप्टी स्पीकर को हटाने का एक नोटिस जो प्रक्रिया होती है अंडर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, वो कांग्रेस के एमएलएज ने डिप्टी स्पीकर के लिए दी। उसके 3 दिन बाद 9 नवंबर को भारतीय जनता पार्टी के एमएलएज ने स्पीकर को हटाने का नोटिस दिया। 3 दिन बाद, ये 3 दिन बाद बहुत जरूरी है। मत सुनिए भाई।
I am on a question of propriety and rules. Can the proceedings of an assembly be discussed in this house? What is this? What is happening? What is happening? I'm sorry. I'd like a ruling on this question. What is happening in a state assembly if we start discussing in this house?
Sorry, बैठिए।
What is happening in a state assembly has never been discussed in this house, should never be discussed in this house. If you allow this discussion, tomorrow state assemblies will start discussing what happens in this house. कल विधानसभाओं में चर्चा शुरू हो जाएगी कि देश की संसद में क्या हो रहा है।
Sir, if it were normal conditions में you can say yes or no. लेकिन अभी आगे मैं जो पढ़ूंगा वो इस हिंदुस्तान की कोई कोर्ट, कोई अदालत
Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad,
चर्चा नहीं हो
don't
सकती,
discuss
सिर्फ
the
पार्लियामेंट में
proceedings of
चर्चा
the
हो
house. You don't discuss the proceedings of the house.
Sir, अरे बैठिए. Sir, I am not talking about the proceedings. No proceedings have started as yet. I am just saying when the Parliament Assembly is not. No. मानिए लीडर ऑफ द हाउस को करेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ।
डिप्टी स्पीकर हटाने का नोटिस ये विधानसभा का विषय है, संसद का विषय नहीं है। अगर आप इसकी अनुमति देंगे तो संसद में क्या होता है, विधानसभाओं में चर्चा होगी।
ये अभी प्रोसीडिंग्स नहीं है। I am not quoting any proceedings of the house. This has happened when the assembly was not in session. No, let me settle. Sir, I am not discussing the proceedings of the house. Now, what has happened, what has transpired, and what has been discussed on the floor of the house, I am not discussing that. When the assembly is not in session, so where is the question of discussing the proceeding the house? No, assembly.
No. You.
No. We represent. This is the Rajya Sabha represents the state.
No, please.
The Rajya Sabha represents the states.
Mr. Ghulam Nabi.
It is our duty to protect the interests of the state.
Mr. Ghulam Nabi.
It is our duty to protect the interests of the state.
Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad.
We as Rajya Sabha members are custodian of the
constitution. No, Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad.
Protect the interests of the state.
Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad. Now, Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad.
Council of States.
Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad.
Council of the States.
Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad.
And it is our responsibility.
No, Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad.
No.
Mr.
Ghulam responsibility.
Mr. Ghulam
to protect the interests of the state.
Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad.
We are not going to budge.
No, Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad. You don't discuss the deputy speaker or speaker here. Why don't discuss the deputy speaker or speaker here? That is assembly.
I cannot discuss the proceedings of the assembly.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
But I'm not discussing the proceedings of the assembly. The assembly is going to be convened from tomorrow. The assembly is going to be convened from tomorrow. So how can I?
So what is your complaint?
Discuss the proceedings of the assembly.
Now what is your complaint then? What is your issue then?
Sir, let me tell you. Sir, let me tell you, the most undemocratic thing which has happened in the history of independent India, which did not happen even during the British time, which has happened now, which is happening now.
What?
No example.
What?
No example.
What are you
such
saying?
example.
Ghulam Nabi,
Even
it is
in the
not clear
British
to me.
Raj,
What are you speaking?
in the British Raj, we used to have governments, but we didn't have this type of example.
What is your point?
The governor of Arunachal Pradesh, so moto, without consulting the state government, without consulting the chief minister, without the advice of the chief minister and council of ministers, he summons the assembly session for 16th of December. Sir, the most important thing is what does the summons say and what does the executive order of the governor say? The executive order says, I quote the executive order of the governor of Arunachal Pradesh.
Mr. Ghulam
The
Nabi Azad.
resolution for the removal of the speaker
No, Mr. Ghulam Nabi
shall be the
Azad.
first item on the agenda
Mr. Ghulam Nabi
of the
Azad,
House
please.
at the first sitting of the sixth session
Now,
of the
Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad.
assembly.
I will allow.
Then it is also said, as the resolution of the
Mr.
removal
Ghulam
of the
Nabi Azad,
speaker
please.
shall be the first item of the business of the at the first sitting
please.
of the sixth session of the sixth
Ghulam Nabi Azad, Rule
Pradesh Assembly.
238.
The deputy speaker
yes.
shall
Point
preside
of order.
over the house
Now, Mr.
from
Ghulam
the
Nabi
first
Azad,
moment.
I have a point of order. Point of order is.
So no point order. I have no. ये constitution की
No, I allow the point of order. I told you. I allow the point of order. No, I allow the point of order. Yes.
Most undemocratic thing which is happening in the state of Arunachal Pradesh.
Over its own proceedings, no house can sit over the judgment on the proceeding of either house or of a state legislature. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Very clear.
Yes. See,
Therefore,
ये नहीं कोई भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में आप कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में आप नहीं बुला सकते हैं सेशन के बगैर
Mr. Deputy Chairman, Rule 238 is clear. Neither can the conduct of a governor be discussed here, nor can the proceeding of a state
because the governor is most unconstitutional doing thing. The governor of Arunachal Pradesh is behaving like a dictator. Let me tell you,
Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad.
he cannot call the security forces. He cannot call the security
Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad.
No.
Please, Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad. Now, please. Now, please. Please listen to me. Mr. Ghulam Nabi. I will. Now, please. Now, please. I want to make 2 points clear. Now, please, to everybody. Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad. Please, I will allow you. But I want, see. Now, please. Now let me see. See, I have to make 2 points clear. Now, please. आप लोग बैठिए. I have to make 2 points clear. Hey, just wait. Go. I have to make. See. Now, please. Sit down. Go to your seat. See, please, I have to make 2 points clear. Please. Now, please. 2 points I have to make clear. Number one is that according to Rule 238, the position, a person in position, authority like governor, can be discussed only through a substantive motion. Now let me say. Substantive motion. Number one. Second, proceedings of the Legislative Assembly will not be discussed.
I have given notice and I am not discussing the proceedings of the Assembly. The House is not convened as of now. So how can I discuss the proceedings? No.
nothing coming.
I am only saying, मैं सिर्फ 3 चीजें बता रहा हूं कि गवर्नर ने सरकार की रिक्वेस्ट के बगैर असेंबली सेशन बुलाया है। सरकार गवर्नर ने विधानसभा का एजेंडा भी खुद ही फिक्स किया है। गवर्नर को कोई अथॉरिटी नहीं है कि ये कह दे कि स्पीकर प्रिजाइड नहीं करेगा, डिप्टी स्पीकर प्रिजाइड करेगा। गवर्नर को ये अथॉरिटी नहीं है कि डिप्टी स्पीकर को हटाने के लिए रेजोल्यूशन मूव किया जाएगा। ये कहीं नहीं है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखकर। ये कौन से कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखकर?
मिस्टर गुलाम नबी
बीजेपी के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में हो सकता है। ये बिल्कुल गलत बात। ये डेमोक्रेसी की
मिस्टर गुलाम नबी जी,
जा रही है।
I am quoting your ruling
की हत्या की जा रही।
I will allow you also. I am quoting your ruling. Please.
अभी
I am quoting your ruling.
अभी भारत के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पे आपने चर्चा की, अभी 15 दिन भी नहीं हुई और उसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की धज्जियां उड़ा दी जा रही है। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का मजाक किया जा रहा है। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को मिट्टी में दफा किया जा रहा है। ये हम नहीं होने देंगे, हमारी पार्टी कभी नहीं होने देगी, विपक्ष नहीं होने देगी।
Now there is a ruling by Deputy Chairman on 27392. There is a ruling by Deputy Chairman, then Deputy Chairman, on 27392 to a question by Mr. Ahluwalia. The ruling is that, Mr. Ahluwalia, you cannot, I am quoting, you cannot raise the issue of state assembly here. We might be Council of States. We are the Council of States, but we cannot raise an issue of state. And governor should be discussed through a substantive motion. Yes, Mayawati, yes.
यदि आप यहाँ पर असेंबली के मामले उठाने का आप परमिशन देंगे तो हमें भी फिर उत्तर प्रदेश के बारे में, वहाँ के गवर्नर के बारे में, फिर हमारी पार्टी को भी बोलने का मौका दिया जाए। मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट ये है कि नई परंपरा हाउस के अंदर लागू नहीं होनी चाहिए।
सर, देखिए ये जो इनका
No, governor can be discussed only through a substantive motion.
ये जो है वो पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर नहीं, पॉइंट ऑफ डिसऑर्डर पर विश्वास करते हैं।
There is no your motion. What is his motion? What is LOP's motion? What is your motion? Is it a substantive motion? What is LOP's motion? No. What is the motion of LOP?
हम जिम्मेदार हैं।
What is?
आप नया बहाना लेकर आए हैं।
Actually, a business.
आप ये बता दीजिए कि आप हाउस नहीं चलने देना चाहते हैं।
Yeah. No, Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad. No, I am not saying it is unimportant. Are you on a point of order? But you have to say that then. See, Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad, you see, I have given the ruling. Now please. No, I have to go by the rule. Please sit down. Now sit down. I have to go by the rule. Sit down. Please. You see, I have already given.
Sir, before you give the ruling, should I read one thing? I just go with your point.
No, you made your say.
You give them the ruling.
You made your say. You already said. I understood your point.
Sir, before you give ruling,
no, I understood your point.
No, I would
point.
also read the article 1741. Then you give the ruling. Sir, the article 1741 read with article 163 of the Constitution of India and Rule 3 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of Arunachal Pradesh.
No,
I'm reading the
I got your point. I understood
Arunachal Pradesh. The Assembly legislature mandate, the governor has to consult the CM.
Now you take, I understood your point.
Consult the CM.
I got your
and the
point.
Council of Ministers for
I understood
summoning the
your
House.
point, please. I understood the point. See, I understood what Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad is saying. I could, but the point is, I have to go by the rules. That's the only problem. Rule 238 is very clear that the conduct of a person in authority, like governor, I don't want to read it, say governor or Rashtrapati, whoever it is, can be discussed only through a substantive motion. Substantive motion. Now, I have with me the motion moved by motion that has been given notice of by Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad. Honorable LOP, yes, no doubt. Every member is honorable and LOP is equally honorable. No problem. No problem. Agree. Now, please. Now, but this motion, I don't want to read if the House wants, I can share with this motion that in pursuance of Rule 267 for the rules of procedure and conduct of business in Rajya Sabha, this House does suspend the normal business to enable it to take up the discussion on brazen interference by Governor Arunachal Pradesh in the functioning of government in the state of Arunachal Pradesh with the evil intention to topple a democratically elected government in the state by way of promoting factionalism and inciting dissension is only a motion or suspension of the question hour. It is not a substantive motion. Therefore, I have to disallow the discussion on this. No, it is not. It is not a substantive motion. What can I do? It is not a substantive motion. What can I do? It is not a substantive motion. You could have given a substantive motion. Yes, Mr. Nadimul Haq. Mr. Nadimul Haq. Mr. Nadimul Haq. What do you want, Nadimul Haq? Nadimul Haq. What is that you are saying?
Sir, I demand that this is the House be suspended and we take up this issue, sir, to discuss it fully. That there's CBI, sir, CBI is going on. How can it be, sir? What will happen to federalism? What about cooperative federalism, sir? Where is the cooperation? Sir, no BJP. So what is this, sir? So what is this? These agencies to subdue all the dissension. How can this be? Today one chief minister is being raided, tomorrow another will be raided. How will we allow this, sir? How will democracy go on? How will federalism function, sir?
You come here. You can come here and manage them. I will call you now.
Sir, this is
do come here.
Not to be allowed, sir. We should take up this protest. Sir,
you can come here and manage them.
This notice to discuss this issue, that how can a central agency raid the office, raid a constitutional office of the chief minister of the state?
Naki. House is adjourned for 15 minutes. 15 minutes.